wọ́n lo opportunity wípé àwọn fẹ́ fight terrorism wọ́n á fi fight Mùsùlùmí kí la wá ní ẹni tó ní ohun kan wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ pé gbogbo ẹni tó láti ní ohun kan is a terrorist. If you have a beard, in fact, in Nasarawa, in a court in Nasarawa at that time, a Muslim brother appeared in the court to defend the case, and the judge had the temerity to send him out because he appeared as a terrorist. Why? Because he wore beard. Kí ni à ń sọ? Àwọn màmá wa, àwọn ọmọ wa, àwọn ìyàwó wa tán lo hijab. To wear hijab in Nigeria, in the age of anti-terrorism, is to be labeled a terrorist. Kí ni à ń sọ? Bí oṣù mélòó kan sẹ́yìn, àwọn kan wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí disgrace àwọn Muslim sisters tí wọ́n lo rìkọ́ nítorí pé wọ́n sọ pé terrorist ni wọ́n mú àpèjúwe ẹ̀mọ́ ní terrorism is a tactic of demanding for the impossible at the gunpoint. A tactic for demanding for the impossible at gunpoint. Àwọn kan sọ pé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá it is going to be for Christians. Christianity is going to be for take over this land. Kò sáàyè fẹ́sìn míì except for Christianity here. Wọ́n ti sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n ti ṣe crusade upon crusade on it. Yàtọ̀ sílẹ̀ lánàá ìkànnì àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀yà wa gbé ìbáṣáré lórúkọ rẹ̀ correctly. President was pursued by ISWAP in Borno. He escaped from there, but he was caught up again with somewhere around Kaduna or somewhere. Agbonwe eventually was killed. He was murdered. He was murdered. Àwọn wo náà ṣe ìyẹn ní làwọn. So tàbá sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn misrepresentation. Mo wà tẹ́tẹ̀ láti dé slide ìṣẹ́gbẹ́ kan kí mo tó bá ṣe àwọn judges sí ẹni tí mo jókòó sí yẹn. Mo ní ìpèníjà wa àwa fún ara wa ìpèníjà ara wa nọ̀ọ́yìn ìzàmánà náà wà ní àìbò sí náà wà máa ní ìzàmánà ní àìbò sí wà ní. Àwa we keep blaming them for our ills and challenges, whereas where are the real sources of the challenges confronting us? Eléyìí jẹ́ nǹkan mọ̀kè wọ́n ní orúkọ ẹni tí wọ́n pa lánàá òní Musa Uba Brigadier Musa Uba wọ́n pa Brigadier Musa Uba lánàá nígbà tó jẹ́ pé iṣẹ́ tiẹ̀ ní láti defend gbogbo wa àrẹ̀fẹ́ tó wá dùn àwa tí ó gbọ́dọ̀ dùn gbogbo wa olórí oko wa wọ́n rántí sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ kankan tó kó Nàìjíríà. Wọ́n rántí sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ láti kó Nàìjíríà. So eléyìí jẹ́ nǹkan àkọ́kọ́. Nǹkan ìkejì tàbá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa terrorism different categories because of time. We have terrorism of anti-terrorism. Terrorism about 2010-2011 ní Nàìjíríà ní an anti-terrorism bill was promulgated based on the global war on terror. Ìtàrí lára ẹ̀ wípé wọ́n lo opportunity wípé àwọn fẹ́ fight terrorism wọ́n á fi fight Mùsùlùmí. Kí la wá ní? Ẹni tó ní ohun kan wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí sọ pé gbogbo ẹni tó láti ní ohun kan is a terrorist. If you have a beard, in fact, in Nasarawa, in a court in Nasarawa at that time, a Muslim brother appeared in the court to defend the case, and the judge had the temerity to send him out because he appeared as a terrorist. Why? Because he wore beard. Kí ni à ń sọ? Àwọn màmá wa, àwọn ọmọ wa, àwọn ìyàwó wa tán lo hijab. To wear hijab in Nigeria, in the age of anti-terrorism, is to be labeled a terrorist. Kí ni à ń sọ? Nítorí àsìkò. Mo rò wípé àwọn nǹkan tó ń fa ìpèníjà táwọn kojú yìí a pè ní bí ọ̀nà márùn-ún torí pé kò sásìkò. Àkọ́kọ́ mẹ́ fẹ́mi tí mo fẹ́ gbà wáyànjú ó ní self-misrepresentation. Àwa kan náà àwa jẹjẹ Mùsùlùmí Islam tá à ń ṣe táwọn èèyàn tá à ń ṣe Islam tó ń gbé Islam gangan tá a mọ̀ ní. Fún àpèjúwe bí oṣù kan sẹ́yìn ẹnìkan lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ìkan náà àwọn brothers lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ó ní marriage kì í ṣe dandan ni kó jẹ́ pé nǹkan tí ó máa last forever. You can marry a sister within 4-5 months, divorce her and marry another one. Wọ́n ti wá ta sister tó ti fẹ́ ó ti tó mẹ́jọ nísìnyí. Apparently, marriage doesn't, you don't have to marry and stick to her. After 4-5 months, you can ask her to go, take another one. So he has been asking them to go and taking another one, and he has recorded 8. Wọ́n á ní ẹ̀bìn náà tó ń gbé àbúrò ẹ̀ tàbí ọmọ ẹ̀ olùwọ́n lè place bẹ́ẹ̀ ní báwo ṣe fi lè. Point 2, nǹkan tó ń fa misrepresentation láàrin wa fún wa àwọn ọjọ́ Islam. Eléyìí ó sì ń dẹ́rù ìgbà láti sọ àwọn tá a dá àfáà. This is a sample, this is a gathering of ulama. This is a sample of scholars. But òdodo kò àgbọ̀dọ̀ sá fún.